Hello my dear students, how are you all? I believe that you are happy and healthy. Do you think you are a good writer? Do you have intense desire to become a writer? Are you looking for financial assistance and mentorship? I mean, you feel that you need good training? Here is a good news for you. An amazing scheme which is launched by our Honorable Prime Minister and which is related to National Education Policy 2020. The scheme name is Mentoring Yuva. It to empower the young minds. The scheme has been launched to emphasize and to implement National Education Policy 2020 and also to commemorate 75 years of independence. The scheme has been launched. Okay, through this scheme, you can get the most eminent personalities guidance and mentorship, and also you will get 50,000 scholarship per month for 6 months. It means which is worth 3 lakh rupees. So why are you waiting? Just try to participate. Now your mind is filled with many questions, I think, like how to submit, sir, when to submit, where to submit. These kind of questions are haunting you. Maybe here are the answers for all your questions. Our students have wonderfully presented frequently asked questions. Just try to watch this video till the end. Then all your doubts will be clarified.
I am Priyanka, student of class 9, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Malkangiri.
I am Atasa Sethi, class 9, student of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Malkangiri.
Do you know anything about the Mentoring Yuva scheme that was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi?
Yes, I have known about it. Our Jyoti Prakash sir told us many times and said a link to clear our doubts. I have many doubts about it.
Shall we open the link and clarify our doubts?
Yeah, of course.
Link innovateindia.mygov.in/Yuva. Spelling of the link: innovateindia.mygov.in/YUVA/. Hey, I got some information regarding Mentoring Yuva scheme.
Wow, so me.
There are some frequently asked questions which are more useful to our friends also.
Hey, can I ask some questions and you read the answers?
Yeah, sure.
Question number 1. What are the themes that one can send one's entry about?
Answer of the question. The major themes are unsung heroes, little known facts about the national movements, role of various places in national movement, entires bringing out new perspectives related to political, economic, cultural or science related aspects of national movement, etc.
Question number 2. What is the duration of the contest?
Answer. The duration of the contest is 4th June 2021 to 31st July 2021, 11:59 p.m.
Question number 3. Till what time the submission will be accepted?
Answer of this question. The submission will be accepted till 11:59 p.m. on 31st July 2021 on MyGov.
Question number 4. Can I write in any Indian language?
Answer of this question. Yeah, you can. There are many languages. First, Assamia. Second, Bangla. Third, Gujarati. Fourth, Hindi. Fifth, Kannada. Sixth, Kashmiri. 7th, Konkani. 8th, Malayalam. 9th, Manipuri. 10th, Marathi. 11th, Nepali. 12th, Odia. 13th, Punjabi. 14th, Sanskrit. 15th, Sindhi. 16th, Tamil. 17th, Telugu. 18th, Urdu. 19th, Bodo. 20, Santhali. 21, Maithili. And 22, Dogri.
Question number 5. How will the maximum age of 30 years be decided?
Answer of this question, you should be exactly 30 years or below as on 1st June 2021.
Question number 6. Who can participate in the contest?
Answer of this question, citizen of India is 30 years or below as on 1st June 2021.
Question number 7. Can foreign nationals also participate in the contest?
Answer, only Indian nationals including those holding PIOs or NRIs holding Indian passports can participate in the contest.
Question number 8. I am a PIO NRI holding Indian passport. Do I have to attach the documents?
Answer of this question, yes. Kindly attach a copy on your passport TIO card with your entry.
Question number 9. Can I submit more than one entry?
Answer of this question, only one entry per contestant is allowed.
Question number 10. What should be the structure of the entry?
Answer of this question, it should have a chapter plan, synopsis and 2 or 3 chapters if the entry has chapters within a maximum word limit of 5,000 words.
Question number 11. Can I submit more than 5,000 words?
Answer of this question, maximum word limits of 5,000 should be adhered to.
Question number 12. How will I know that my entry has been registered?
Answer, you will receive an acknowledgement email from My Government. Don't forget to download your certificate of participation after final submission.
Question number 13. I will be submitting my entry in an Indian language. Should I attach in its English translation?
Answer of this question, no, kindly mention in 100 or 150 words gist of your entry in neither English or Hindi.
Question number 14. Is there any minimum age for entry?
Answer of this question,
no minimum age has been prescribed.
Question number 15. Can I send the handwritten manuscript?
no, it should be neatly typed.
Question number 16. What is the genre of entry?
Answer of this question, you can submit both fiction and non-fiction.
Question number 17. What are the subgenres that one can submit as one's entry under fiction?
Answer for this 17th question. Can you send collection of short stories, novels, historical fiction, inspirational, romance fiction, fiction for children, fiction for young adults, etc. The background of the fiction genre of manuscripts should be pertaining to the period of national movements.
Question number 18. What are the subgenres that one can submit as one's entry under non-fiction?
Answer for the 18th question. You can send travelogues, memoirs or informative research-based manuscripts dealing with various political, social, cultural, economic or science-related aspects on national movement, etc.
Question number 19. Will poetry be accepted?
Answer for a 19th question. No, poetry will not be accepted.
Question number 20. If the manuscript has information that is quoted from an external source, how and where does it need to be mentioned? How do I quote the source of reference?
Answer for the 20th question is, on the inclusion of information from an external source is an non-fiction manuscript, the source needs to be mentioned as footnotes, endnotes or in a consolidated worksheeted section if required.
Question number 21. Can I submit my Indian language entry in Unicode?
Answer for 21 question. Yes, it can be submitted in Unicode.
Question number 22. What should be the format of submission?
Answer for 22nd question. For English, the format should have font style as Times New Roman and font size should be 14. For other languages, equivalent font style size should be employed.
Question number 23. Are simultaneous submission allowed? Can I submit a story that has been submitted to another? competition, journal, magazine, etc.
Answer for 23rd question. No, simultaneous submission are not allowed.
Question number 24. What is the procedure to edit or exchange an entry or manuscript that has already been submitted?
Answer for 24th question. Once an entry has been submitted, it cannot be edited or withdrawn. Save as draft option may be selected by a participant who wishes to further edit his or her entry, but such entries must be submitted before the last date of contest. An entry saved in draft after last date of submission shall not be considered.
Question number 25. Can the submissions also have pictures or illustrations to support the text?
Answer for 25th question. Yes, the text can be supported with pictures or illustrations if you hold copyright for the same. Hey Adya, have all of your doubts been clarified?
Yes.
Now I am going to participate. Thanks for watching.